Okay, today we need to finish our helm dependency concept. Directly, I want to start. I think we are in the first step. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yeah, please. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah.
Audible.
Good, good. Now observe. Now need to move to cluster, right? UCTL. Oh, share screen I didn't share. Not happened. Nothing happened. Join another. Well, share it. No, something wrong. Well, that's very good. No, what's that? What you did? Someone you joined my with my account. Return to home screen. Return to home screen. Can someone tried with my account? I don't know who is. We'll check it. Not access letter. Okay. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good, good. See. Control C. Here, QCTL, get notes, you know this. There, CD, helm, what happened? Now I need to import. What to do? Go to here. I newly created the cluster now. That's why follow this term. I'm trying to close this. What happened? You may see. Noth- Nothing happened, right? See what to do. Stack CDFI. Stack CDFI GitHub. Let's go to here. The repositories. Please respond. Helm, right? Helm. Helm charts. Helm charts repo. I hope this one is the right one, right? Good.
Helm master.
Yeah, this one only, ma. This not this one. Step back. Helm master. Where is that?
First one, sir.
First, yeah. Well, master. By saying this one. Yes. 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 Complete this. Please guide me. What to do? Go to here. Git is there or not? Check it. Git hyphen version. Yeah, already that. Git clone. Yesterday we tried with Argo seed, right? Are you agree with me? But in my system, something happened. You don't know. But I rectified the problem today. But anyway, you will try. You may get a problem, then we'll try to rectify. But I'll show you at the end of the class. And now see ls hyphen ltr cd l. Now dir. What is our pay? 20 or 30? Elm dependency, Elm dependency alias you want to know, ma. Shall we go for aliasing? Please respond before going to concept of aliasing. What is the meaning of alias? CD 20 7 27. Three meanings are there for alias, ma'am. Just guess
Short
it.
name.
Very good. Easy to remembering name. The technical answer is you need to give alternate. What is the meaning of alias? Alternative name. Okay. See, according to Helm dependency, why should we go for aliasing concept? Why should we go for aliasing concept? Now I am in that way. CD, I think Helm basics, right? Not there. Tree, what is the name? Parent chat, right? CD parent. Now try to observe that I am going to work or else VI values.yml. Within the values.yml, not values, no chart.yml, right? VI chart.yml. YAM. Now, up to this regarding which properties? Main chart properties. Are you agree with me? Up to where? Up to API version is the main chart. This is the chart version 1.16.0. Is it okay for you? Yes. See, somewhere you use an nginx image. Are you agree with me? Within the values.yml, did you use nginx image, right? In general, I am talking. What it will consider, image is nginx, image tag is there, right? If you don't specify tag there, what it will do, it will consider app version mark. Are you observing? Everybody understood or not? If not, I'll go and implement that one, again come back. What about Hemant? Are you agree with me? What I am trying to say? If you create a chart, assume maybe
Yes,
it
sir.
for shift colon X. That is also very important. Their CD, their help, create. Shall I give which name? Maybe shall I give dev apps? Assume this is chart is created. What I am explaining, CD dev apps, their VI values.yml. See within that repository image name. What is the image repository name? NGLX. Everybody know this. But here, did they specify any tag version? Quick response? No. How system will recognize which is the tag version? System will, if not mention, if you didn't mention anything within the values.yml, it will go and get it from chart.yml. Which one it will go and get it from? App version. App version. Now I am going to show you. Escape shift colon X, VI, chart. Now see, what is the, here is the app version 1.16.0. If I deploy it, then only you can understand. If I deploy it, then only you can understand. Escape, shift colon X. How can I deploy? By using Helm install. See, what is the use of Helm? Helm is the package manager for Kubernetes. What is the main advantages? We can easily simplify the deployment. Simplify the deployment. Helm install. Then we go for release name REL or NGINX, NGINX, REL dot. Are you agree with me? Enter. See, you may see the, are you able to see here? Or else I may go for LSE. Let's see the release name. Yes. What is the app version it is taking here? 1.16.0. There also you have seen. Is it okay for you? It will consider like that. It will consider like that. Is it okay for you? If you don't specify tag version, it will get it from app within the chart.yml. Whatever you mention, app version, that will get it as a tag. Everybody understood? Is it clear for you? See these details where it was there. We'll go on understanding that way. First I may go for free. Their CD templates, their VI deployment.yml. There you may see, please observe here, image colon, everybody know, dot values, dot image, dot repository. Until now, what is the value here? It will replace. Anyone can quick response. There I am selecting up to this. This is the dynamic nature, right? Up to this, what you may get after if you convert into template mark. If you convert into manifest file, in the manifest file, image colon what you may see? NGNX1. See, within that values.yml dot values dot image dot repository. What is the name of the repository? NGNX. After colon dot values dot image dot tag. It was there or not? Again, quick response. No, till now not there. Tag is not there. Tag is there. Tag value is not mentioned. Are you agree with me, Haman?
Yes, sir.
Pipe symbol. Pipe symbol. What is the default value? Here it is taking. What is the default value here? Please respond. Dot chart.
App version.
App version. According to our scenario, what is the app version? 1.16.0. Again, I am clarifying. Default. When it will take default quick response, anyone? Even I am expecting from Monica only. Suppose when
So
we
if
will
we
get
didn't
default
provide
value.
any tag, then it will take default.
If it didn't provide any value within the value.yml, then only it will go and get a default. Everybody understood, right? Suppose unfortunately if I specify tag version there 1 point, maybe something or 10, that one only will get. It never go for default value. Shall we go for that? At least we will try in that way. First we will check it. Now everyone at least may go for chat GPT or maybe we may go and get it. NGNX versions, NGNX versions. I may go for maybe through internet also you may get it. Maybe or else I'm going to enter into browser. Where is the chat GPT or something? You may check it and tell me also, no problem for me. NGNX, NGINX versions. See, here 1.23.3 is there. Like that, you may get it and tell me. Maybe NGNX hyphen 1.28.0 is there.
Can we guess?
No, just tell me the number. I'll add it.
1.24.0.
1.24.0. Shall I go with that? Yes. Now what to do? Quick response. Shift colon X. There cd dot dot vi values dot yml. There here insert 1 point you are saying 24.
Yes.
Dot 0. Now from here after which one it will take? From here after which one it will take? This one only it will take. It never go for chart.ym. Now escape, shift colon X. Now I want to upgrade now. Shall I upgrade it? There, where is that? There, helm in place of install. I may go for upgrade. GRAD upgrade. Now helm, LS only, right? Now check it. Which one is the latest one you provided? I think it didn't take. It is taking 1.16.0 only.
Yes.
Or we may go and describe it. kubectl get parts, right? Let me check it. There, what is the latest part? SEMA, it is getting full policy error problem. What does it mean? The tag version is not there. The tag version is not there. Now quickly observe and get and tell me proper version. How can you go and get it proper version? Which is the easiest way? Please respond. Which is the best way? hub.docker.com. That is the right procedure. hub.docker.com. I think someone is trying to log in. Guna, good evening. Please guide me. I want to enter into hub.docker.com. Hub.docker.com. What it is expecting. What shall I do? Close it, right? Good. Sign in. Pati Docker. I think everybody know my password. You may wait for it. Now it is entered, right? Now there I am going to type NJNX. NGINX. I'm clicking on NJNX. Now here you may see tags. Tags. What are the tags? Are you able to see? Our intention only, which one, ma? NGNX is correct only? What happening? This is NGNX official build for NGNX, correct only. Yeah, there are the tags 28, that is MB. I want to see the tags here. See, NGNX with the numbering we want it, right? Or else stable something. Copy it. Shall I go with this? And my Windows key or notepad. There, Control V. What about this? This is the image tag version. Are you agree with me? Copy this. Or else see the number and tell me. No problem. That also. Good to go here. VA values only, right? Insert. The right click. Okay. Escape. Shift colon X. Now quickly. Helm. Maybe install new hyphen rel. Then we go for dot. Are you agree with me? Yes. Now we go for helm. ls, right? Now see. New hyphen rel. This one only. Which one, ma? Middle one. New. What is the one revision? Oh, it is taking app version is okay. But we need to see the tag. Where you can see the tag. Once you enter into that pod only, you can see sometimes. Now what to do quickly? kubectl. Yes. Get pods, ma. Get pods. New rel. I think again image full problem. Hello, all of you.
Yes, yes.
Image full problem. Now for that remedy, Docker dock Docker pull. Observe carefully within the notepad. Where is the notepad? Yeah, Control A, Control C. This is another way to manage the thing. Right click, enter. See, our kind is not able to manage. That means not able to pull that image. That's why it is facing difficulty. Even if your repository is private repository, even our kind and or minikube will not manage the things. That also will take one more class for that, how to manage those things. Even here we are learning parallelly how to handle the problems also. Think timeout, it is not pulling properly. Do it once again. Or I may go another way, maybe Docker pull simplify give NGNX, you may get something right. That is also good way. We'll try another way if not working here. I think it got pulled properly. Are you agree with me? How can I check it? Docker image. Yes. See NGNX with now it is okay for us. What shall I do? Again I go for helm install. Helm install. The REL1 I am taking new REL1. Let me check. Now kubectl get pods. New REL1. Again facing same problem or maybe Container creating. Container creating. After container creation, I may go and describe it. We can able to see the tag version. Really it is there or not. Still creating. Oh, error image full problem. Error image full problem. Okay, it is not handling that one. It is not handling that one. Or else, what is that? I may go with our image, ma? I may go with our image. How to go with their VI values, enter it. There simply in place of NGNX insert, you have seen that one. What I need to give? Pati Dakar, cut it. Right? There Java web EPP colon 38 you have seen somewhere.
Yes.
Here you don't give 38. Where you need to mention? Within the tag. Within the tag. Now escape, shift colon, X. There you may go for helm install. I am giving 2. Now check it. At least it is possible. kubectl get pods. 2 I given. Now it is running, right? Even though it is running, not at 1 by 1. 0 by 1 only there. We'll check it. Still it is showing. I think only 2 I given, 1 2 I given.
Two, sir.
Only 2. Where is only 2?
You are here.
I am not able to see REL2. Oh, that is L2. I think it was 1 2. No, L2 1. Still now it's not getting activated. This is Java web app. It will take time, but it is restarted, right? Are you understanding? First kubectl get images. That image is pulled or not respond. Not kubectl. Docker images, right?
Yes.
Docker images. What about my image? Till now not Docker full Pati Docker slash Java web app colon 38. It may ask me, please log in sometimes. Anyone worked with the Helm dependency with WordPress and MySQL? Anyone tried? No. You need to use Helm dependency concept. WordPress is parent chart. MySQL is child chart. In that way. No good. Again, we'll try once again. What is that? There I am giving 5 mark. That 5 dot. kubectl get pods. There are real 5. Yes. We'll wait for some time what happening. Yes. 5 is okay, but CTL delete all hyphen all because of memory problem also. See, so many things are there. No up arrow, helm install, work or not, already there, right? I use the name, there I'm using 60. What happens when you see? kubectl get pods. At least am I getting one by one? Hyphen double. We need to see one by one for. Yeah, finally this one. No, that is the different one. That is the different one. That is available in Argo CD. Argo CD is functioning. Argo CD doing that activity, not ours. Argo CD will do dynamically. If anything goes wrong, it will manage the things. That is the power of Argus. Anyway, generally, right? You may get one by one, but here something going wrong, we didn't get. I hope what was the problem? Maybe you need to mention container port, right? Yes or no? Till now, I didn't mention container port here. Maybe that may be the reason, or else we may quickly control C. We may trace it, man. How to trace it? kubectl describe describe pod the name of the pod. We may check in that way. What was wrong? You may see at least. There created container DevOps, started container DevOps. What was the problem? Container DevOps failed. Liveness probe will be restarted. Liveness probe, right? Are observing why liveness probe is failed? Here container port and target port. Maybe container port is not properly mentioned. Any Java related container port is what? Everybody know. What is any Java related container port? 8080. Now how to trace it? Quick response. Their CD template, not their VI values dot YML. Quick guidance. This is okay. This is not a problem. Now quick response. What was the problem? Within the no need to go for services only, but we are learning in that way. We are learning in that way. Are you observing? Here, see, liveness probe, readiness probe is there, right? This is running. This is functioning. Now what to do? With guidance, go to where is that service? Up. Hmm. Within the service, there insert, leave this or else you may modify. What is that here? Node port, first one. I think this one is okay. Not only this, you need to modify. You see ONTIN here, container port colon 8080. That's it. Are you agree with me? Now, what to do? Escape, shift colon X. Anyone can guide me? Is it sufficient? We need to go and change somewhere. Please respond. Somewhere. Where is that area? Where is that area?
In deployment.
Yeah, good. In deployment. How can I move to deployment? CD templates. There VI deployment.yx. Deployment.yx. This is okay for us. Now, even somewhere I said, but leaving default also I need to place it. Where is the ports container port is there, right?
Yes.
Dot values dot service dot
Container.
see insert container. Spelling correct, only check it once.
Yes.
CONTAIN here, container port. If I am not wrong, it may work. Shift colon X, you may check it. CD dot dot, there helm install, there ABC I am giving my ABC top. Now QCTL get parts first you may see. Where is the ABC related? You may check what it may have. Now see clearly getting one by one, right?
Yes, yes.
Ma, everybody know how to trace it, right?
Yes.
This is also very, very important.
Yes.
Is it clear for you, Hemant? Hello? Are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. See, nearly we took 30 minutes for that. But anyway, you understood how to handle, how to fix the problem, how to fix the problem. Good. Now you need to see the image tag version, right? That is also important. Or agree with me? First, you may go for Helm LS, Helm LS. But even though, what is the app version in that Helm? Chart dot 1.16.0 only. But internally, if you go for the image, what is that? kubectl, describe, pod. What is the name of the pod? This one. Copy it, paste it, enter it. See, clearly you may see, observe here, Pati Docker and Java Web App and also tag version. Is it okay for you? Good. Escape. Now again I'm moving to Helm charts. CD, I hope. Helm only, right? One step back, I hope. CD Helm, good. And now guide me. 27, right?
Yes, sir.
CD 27. Now CD parent. There VI chart dot y. Oh, sorry. Shift colon X. Up arrow YAM. A quick observation. What is the chart name? Please respond. Subchart. Child chart. Again, I am using one more time. What is the name of that? See, you know the word unique. Unique means only once. Same chart, system will not support again and again. But here what we are doing? Our intention, I want to use 2 times. Is it really required? Our intention, my intention, I want it. This is my question. What is the chart name? My chart 4. Again, what is the chart name? My chart 4. If I give like this, it won't work. When it will work? If you add the property alias. See my alias name, what it is there? Child chart 4 for development, child chart 4 for QA. Try to understand. For development, 1 replica I want. For QA, 4 replicas I want. For production, I want maybe 6 replicas. This is my intention. Same chart, I want to deploy 3 times for dev, for QA, for production. Concept is clear for you? Theoretically, is it good for you? Same chart I want to deploy 2 times with different internal things, different resources. For first one, 2 parts. For second one, maybe 4 parts. At that time, you go for the which concept, alias. Everybody understood, right? Is there any special thing here? Only we introduce the alias name, the alternative name. For which one alternative? For my chart 4, one alternative name. Again, which name for alternative? Again, my chart 4. Anyone facing any difficulty? Is it okay for you? Very simple thing. Same chart, if you want to use again and again, it won't work. When it will work? If you specify alias property. That is the answer for. Shall I move on to next concept? I am not running this one because of, if
Yes,
I
sir.
deploy it, you may get parent chart deployment and also what is the name? Child chart 4 dev, child chart 4 QA, you may see. Now escape, shift colon X. Now 28 already we have seen, but anyway, we are just entering. CD charts, CD 28. Fine, 28 condition, right? What is the condition I specified? Enable. What is the default enabled property? True. That means one parent is there, 2 childs are there. All the 3 charts anyway it can deploy. But my intention is what? I want to deploy parent is mandate, any one child. For first child, I don't want enable property false. Second chart, I want it for enable property true. Where those details are available within the values dot by ML. Is it okay for you? Yesterday we have seen this concept. Are you agree with me? Anyone respond? Yes or no? Shall I move on to next concept? Cd dot dot 29. See, helm dependency, condition, alias. Maybe both things. Condition is there and also aliasing is there. First, I'll enter into that. We may see. If any difficulty, we'll discuss. Now, go for dir, there, cd, parent. First, I am opening chart.yml. There you can understand. vi chart.yam. There you see there what they are mentioning. Name is there, version is there, repository everybody know, aliasing is there, condition is also there. Child chart core dev dot enabled. Where these details are available? These details are available within the values.yml. Unfortunately, their false is there. The chart won't run. Is it okay for you? Shall we see there? I will go and convert into false both. Only which one I may deploy? Parent only I can deploy. If my intention, I don't want to deploy subcharts. At that time you go for enable false, enable false, enable false. Shall I go and test it first? Escape, shift colon X, where should I enter? vi values.ym. There you check it. At the end you may check it. Or wherever you want it, you can mention. The custom properties by default where you can mention at the end only. See child chart for dev false, child chart for QA maybe I may give false only. Now see false. Now if I deploy it, if I install it, which one can deploy? Only parent chart will deploy. Other charts will not deploy. I don't want to deploy ma. You understood the concept. Shall I move on to next one? Yes. Escape. Shift to colon X. Now cd dot dot cd dot dot cd 30. Now dependency tags. This is little bit special concept. Why little bit special? Maybe I may give a little story for this Windows gear. Maybe notepad assume. Maybe I am in. There see name assume X chart name. Again name colon Y. Maybe generally we may take space, right? Space. I'm taking three charts assume. Name colon Z. Is it okay for you? Three charts are there. Generally we know that chart name dot enabled. Is it okay for you? Chart date, chart name dot enabled. Assume 10 charts are there, 10 times within the values.yml, either true or false. I need to mention or not. Without mention true only. If you don't want to deploy, what will you do? You must mention false. See here what they are going to tell. Hyphen tags, tags or simply tags. This is the property tags. The name of the tag is assume hyphen front end, front front end. This one. For this one also, I may go with again tags colon there hyphen front end, front end. See, for three charts I am mentioning front end, for two charts I am mentioning back end, for five charts I am mentioning middleware. Are observing? Or else front end, back end, maybe middleware. Is it okay for you? Three different names. Wherever if I mention front end is true, all the front end related charts will deploy. Now, understanding? I am grouping. I am converting into group concept. What is the advantage of grouping? Wherever front end code is there, if that is true, that will enable it. That will deploy it. Is it okay for you? First, I'll enter into environment. We can understand. There enter cd, chart, right? chart dot. What is that? I mean correct order? No, CD parent man. There VI chart dot OM. Now see here. See for the dependencies for the my chart 4, this is the child chart for a development. What is the tag name? What is the tags they use? Front end. Again, what is the tag name they use? Front end. If front end is true, all the front end, how many front ends are there? We don't know. All the front end applications will deploy. You got the clarity on this? What we can do? Even maybe Ansible. In Ansible also tags have user or not? In Ansible tags concept is very, very powerful.
Yes, sir.
Without tags concept, they never end the Ansible entity. Is it okay for you? There also, what is the advantage of tags? Anyone can respond according to Ansible. Tell me, what is the use of tag concept in Ansible? See, 100 modules are there.
We can run particular specific task.
Specific task, specific module. Specific module, if you want to deploy there also, we can go with tags concept. Got it or not? Yes, I can mention the name of the tag. There I can mention the name of the tag. Here also what it is the front end. This is the tag name. Is it okay for you? Compare to which one is the better? Compare to condition, which is powerful? Tags concept is powerful. Tags concept is powerful. Is it okay for you? You want to see it? Where it is there? Within the values.yml. See here. What is the thing they mentioned? Front end and as well as back end as well. How many charts are there? Subcharts, please respond. 3. Are you agree with me? 3 only?
4.
4 are there? My chart 4 with QA. Dev is there. QA1 is there. Oh, QA2 is there. And also my chart 2 is there. Is it okay for you? Child chart. Now assume. How many times front end I use?
3 times.
3 times. How many times back end I use? 1 time. Now based on your response, I can implement. Escape, shift colon X. Good. VI values.yml. At the end, see tags colon front end false, back end false, which will deploy only parent. And now you guide me. Which one? Parent as well as which one you want to deploy? Front end related charts you want to deploy, back end related charts you want to deploy.
Also,
Both means what will you do?
both will
There you need to convert into very simple thing, right?
true.
That's all. Here also escape, shift colon X. There one step back. Now no need to go. Helm, install,
Templates.
not Helm only, right? Where I am in Helm, install the release name parent hyphen child space dot I am giving. Now see kubectl get what I need to specify SVC, very simple. See what you may see parent child chart 2, parent child chart 4 dev, QA1, QA2 and also parent chart. Is it okay for you? All the charts got applied. Is it good? That's it. Now one step back. First a helm ls. You want to remove helm uninstall the ABC my WordPress and new hyphen rel rel1 new hyphen rel2 new hyphen rel5 and also new hyphen rel6 and p hyphen c. Something going wrong? Maybe no problem. LMLS. I think some areas are missing. Now what are the missing areas? New hyphen rel5, right?
Yes, sir.
And also nginx hyphen rel p hyphen c. What was the problem for p hyphen c? Now ls. Good. Now I think two more charts are there. We may quickly finish. No problem. They are cd dot dot cd31, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now there subchart values. Dependency override subchart values. You may ask me what does it mean? Now, first I'll explain theoretically in those key or MS file. See, by default, assume this is the cluster. Within that, I'm going to take this is the parent chart. Okay, I think this is the think like parent chart. This is the subchart one. This is the subchart. See, in parent chart values.yml, how many replicas? Quick response. That replica count. You may know. Colon 1 is that. Here also, what is the replica count? Quick response. 1. Replica count. Wherever you go, replica count default one is 1 only. But here also, what is the replica count? A replica count. 1. My intention, I am changing like this. I don't want 1. I want to convert like 3 as. Where I am changing? In parent. This one, I want to reflect into maybe our wish. Where you want to reflect? In subchart 1, and also you want to reflect where? In subchart. Is it understandable, right?
Yes.
Good. Now we may go on it. See here, cd parent vi values.y. Till now replica count is 1 only there is. Replica count 1 only there. Now see what they are mentioning. My chart 4
Yes.
enable true. What is the replica count you are going to specify? 3. Suppose in one more chart is there. What is the replica count you wanted? Assume 5. 5. Where I mentioned within the parent chart values.yml or within the child chart values.yml? Parent chart one. Where it will apply ma? Where within values.yml that will apply for child charts. I mentioned modifications in the parent chart that will reflect on child chart because of, see, what is the name of the chart name? My chart 4. What is the name of the chart? My chart 2. Everybody understood, right? Is it okay for you? These values, how they mention? Dot values, dot my chart 4, dot enabled. Dot values, dot my chart 2, dot enabled. One more thing. Dot values, dot my chart 4, dot replica count. What is the value of dot replica count? Here for chart 4, 3, for chart 2, 5. Now, Monica understood?
Yes, sir.
Where these values they mention within the subchart, within the deployment. If you want to see, you can go and test it. You can go and check it. Maybe we may try to enter into that area. We may see. First escape, shift colon X. Now what to do? One step back. I think here only I need to go for trimmer first. See, this is the zip format. What will you do? You must unzip it. Why? You want to enter into internal things. You need to unzip, right? Then only you can see. Then only you can see. Yesterday, I think we did right. Then only we can able to identify. Otherwise, you can't enter. Otherwise, you can't enter. Okay, escape. Now, we will, at least we may deploy it. We can understand very easily. We may see the parts. For chart 4, how many parts we need to get? 3. For chart 2, 5 parts. May test it. How can I test? Help install. I am in correct order only, right?
Within the charts, CD charts.
No, parent chart only.
Of this.
Correct only, right? Helm install. The release name. The release name. maybe XYZ, huh? Dot. Now kubectl get pods. First you need to understand. See XYZ. See my chart to are able to see my chart to how many times is there? Check it.
5.
5. Because of there we mentioned replica count 5. For my chart 4, replica count is 3. 3 times are you able to see? 4, 4, 4.
Yes.
Good. One parent chart. One parent chart. Just now creating. There also, if you want to mention, you can mention parent chart replica count on the top. On top. Is there any difficulty? Is it good for you? Good. Escape. Now one step back. CD dot dot. Now CD dot dot. CD32 mark. See, helm subchart global values. Helm subchart global values. What does it mean? In parent as well as in child also. All the areas you want to change it, you can change it by using global property. By using global property. Now enter it. CD parent. Now observe VI. First you go for chart.ya. See, are you able to see the global related any special thing here? Are you able to say? I hope no. Check it. Are you able to see any global related? Nothing special. Nothing special. Is it okay for you? But you may see little modification is there. What is the little modification? Repository generally you may go with URL. Are you agree with me? If you extract your URL, you may get into chart, right? Generally you may create chart. That chart location because of within the parent chart, within the charts folder, you may able to see chart 4, right? Subchart. This is also subchart. Here we can able to enter and see the internal things. Are you agree with me? Here, how can you get it? Escape, shift colon X, VI, see the values dot wire. There you may see the special thing. You may use global, see, global colon replica count 4. Global colon replica count 4. What does it mean? Dot values, dot global, dot replica count. Maybe in which deployment, assume parent deployment, if it is there, it will work for how many replicas? 4. In child chart 4, if you apply, again 4. In one more child chart, if you apply, again you may get. Everybody understood or not? Wherever you apply, which one you may apply, please respond. Dot values, dot global, dot replica count. Shall we go and check it internally? How can I check it? Escape, shift colon X. First time enter into CD charts. There, tree observe. Now, which one shall I go with, my chart 2 or my chart 4? Your wish. You respond quickly. My chart 4. CD, my chart 4. My chart 4. Yes. Now CD templates. Is it okay for you? Next we go for VI deployment. That way. Now see somewhere. Now replica count. Somewhere replica count is there. Check it. Where is the replica count? That means
Because there's no.
where? Starting only or spec after the spec only is there, right? Where is the word replica count mark? Have you seen?
Yes, sir. In spec only, first line.
First line, here observe this replicas colon dot value somewhere I said, right? Dot global dot replica count. Here unfortunately we use dot values dot, what you may use? Dot values dot replica count. What it may get it? Quick response, anyone? If you don't use global, what it may consider? I'm expecting. What it may consider?
3.
No. Again, you are also misunderstanding. If there is no global, please, I'm changing here. Understand? If I use like this, what it may consider? Please respond at least. Every chart having one values.yml. Are you agree with me, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, there is no global. If there is no global means what does it mean? I am the local. What is my local values.yml? By default, one replica. Are you understanding or not? Anyone? Please
Yes,
respond.
sir.
Yes. What I am specifying specifically, I am there with you. Who is telling I am there with you? Global. Global where I mention
Values are
within parent chart values.yml that will applying here. Are you agree with me at least? Which is applying. Global property is applying. How can I say global property is applying? I written global. Not only global, there you may mention Maunika, colon, replica count. That is also global.
yes.
In parent chart, whatever you applied, that is applying here. Why it is applying here? Those properties we are typing here. Everybody understood or not? What about Haman?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Good. Now here, what is the thing we are mentioning here? GLO global. I am not wrong, right? Dot values, dot global, dot replica count. In one more chart also, they specified like this only. Here, very simple, ma. We are learning Helm. We are customizing the things. In values.yml, already default things are there. I don't want default things. I want to get it from somewhere else. Yes, it is supporting. That is the meaning. Parent is telling something, child is accepting because of parent properties by default applying for child. You know the word inheritance? Getting something from existing is the inheriting concept. Yes, it is inheriting. Even some areas, child is telling something. Parent also may listen. That is also possible, right? Very simple answer. See, child is earning 1 lakh rupees, maybe as a software engineering. Parent may take the money, some money from child also, right? Same thing. In next chart we may see. Shall I deploy it or no need for? Please respond, everybody. No need to deploy it. You can able to understand the concept. If I deploy it, how many replicas you may get for child also? 3. Is it okay for you? But parent, we didn't mention. If you mention within the parent deployment global, there also 3 will apply. If you didn't mention values.replica count, default one only will apply. Good. Escape, shift colon X. Now we go for one step back, one more step back. CD 33. See, Helm dependency, import values explicit. Import values explicit. What does it mean? See, child properties, I want to get it in parent. Which till now what we did, ma? Quick response, anyone? Parent properties giving to child. Is it okay for you? Parent properties giving to child. That is the common property. Even in our Indian culture also what it is. My parent having some properties after them. Who will get those properties automatically? I am only child. But you need to mention there. Even in Telugu, Veelu Nama, sometimes they may write after my life is gone. Okay, everything goes to so and so person. Like here, what they are telling, child is earning something that is giving to parent. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. We are going to understanding this. See what you need to understand. Parent properties by default child will get. This is the standard rule. But child properties by default, parent not having the right. Child is telling, hey father, I am exporting my properties. Parent is must tell, yeah, I need to import your properties. What is the two special things? I hope I told. Parent, child will tell export. Parent will tell import. This is the little concept. Everybody understood, right? Hemant got the clarity. Who is telling to whom? Child is telling to whom? How child is telling? Hey, I am exporting. What parent is telling? Hey, I am import. Is it okay for you? So you need to understand two special keywords. One is export, another one is import. Is it clear for you? First I'll enter into that. We can understand.
Yes, sir.
CD parent. What I didn't enter CD parent. Good. Now just we go for first I need to enter into child. Their tree Here also, why they given like this? See, they didn't zip because of we should understand, we should know internal things. At least anyway, I'm enter into my chart. Maybe first I'm enter into my chart one. We'll check it. How can I enter my chart one? Please respond. CD charts. There, there CD
Chart one. Chart.
not CD chart one, right? Chart
My chart.
CH my chart, right? My chart one assume. I don't know where those things are there. Now we go for VI values dot wire. Now see, are able to see somewhere exports, are able to see somewhere the heading exports, EXPO RTS. Export is, have you seen, right?
Yes, sir.
Export. Now try to understand. Now after export, whatever the property is there, this property we need to mention within the parent chart. This property only for look like a point, just like a point. Which values you may get it from hereafter you may get it. This is the my chart one app info. This is the original information. This is the original information. They may use 2ML property.
Yes.
What is the use of 2ML property? Anyone can quick response. Block of code you want to get it from one place to another place. Quick access from multiple properties. That is the block of code. Escape, shift colon X. I said you may able to see somewhere import option. Where you can able to see import option? Where no? Within the parent. I'm asking, you may guess it. Those details within the values.yml they may mention, within the chart.yml they may mention. Just guess it. Maybe right or wrong. Please respond. CD dot dot. CD dot dot. Now
Chart.
VI chart dot YAM. Because of dependency related things are within the chart.yml. Now check it somewhere. There we used import values. Is it okay for you? Import values. What you want to import? I said one what marking pointer, right? What is the pointer? My chart one data. There they mention my chart one data. Is it okay for you? They will automatically get it. Is it okay for you, ma? Everybody understood? Escape. Where they may use, you may understand. There again tree. See, within the parent, try to understand config map.yml. Are observing one extra file, config map. This is the customizer file. Now I'm going to open CD, template, there VI, config map.yml. See, within the config map.yml, to YAML, observe 2YAML dot values dot my chart one app info. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
That is the third line, ma. One is the export, another one is the pointer, one more one is the, I think this is the property. My chart one app info. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
If you understand properly, then only. Otherwise, little difficulty. Whose value? Who is getting whose value? Parent is getting child properties by using export and by using import. Is it clear for you? Now you may go for the last concept regarding helm dependency. Shift colon X. Now CD dot dot CD dot dot CD dot dot CD 34 ma. Helm dependency import concept. See, helm dependency, import values implicit. Import values implicit. Enter it. CD, CD, parent. Now, in subchart, export must be there. In subchart, what it is there? Export must be there. That is clear for you? Now, I'm going to VI chart.y. Chart.y. Now, see here, import values is there, right? Here also import values is there. Yes or no? In previous scenario, import values with what was there? They mention that property name, right? Hyphen, within the child chart, some property name. I said or not?
Yes.
Now see import values. See man, child colon service. What does it mean? Within the child chart, within the values.yml, service property was there or not? Quick response.
Yes.
My understanding. I am telling once again. In parent chart, one values.yml is there. In child chart one values.yml is there. In child chart two also one values.yml is there. Now try to understand. Import wherever they may use export values that relevant subchart values.yml, some service property is there or not, I am expecting from you.
Yes.
Say those values, you want to get it in parent. In which chart you want to get it, those values?
My chart.
My chart 2. What was the name you are taking?
Service.
This is the naming convention for your understanding purposes. In the same way, child, within the child, image property was there or not?
Service.
Parent, within the parent, how can you get it?
Chart.
My chart to image. I am giving little clarity. Dot values, dot my chart to dot service, dot port. Which one you may get it? Child chart values.yml. One service property is there. Within that port number is there. That port number you want to access within the parent chart.
Yes. Yes.
My concept is little complex. They did. మనకు 3 చార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయని తెలుసు. పేరెంట్ ఉందని తెలుసు, చైల్డ్ 1, చైల్డ్ 2. ఇది చైల్డ్ 1, చైల్డ్ 2 ఏదో ఒక దానిలో ఏం చేశాడు? ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ అని పెట్టాడు. వాట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఇక్కడ ఇంపోర్ట్ అని పెట్టాడు. ఆ చైల్డ్ చార్ట్ values.yml ఫైల్లో ఉన్న సర్వీస్ యొక్క డీటెయిల్స్, ఉన్న రిపాజిటరీ యొక్క డీటెయిల్స్ ఎక్కడ గెట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను నేను? పేరెంట్ చార్ట్. అంటే దాని ఇంటెన్షన్ ఏంటి? చైల్డ్ చార్ట్ లో ఏ ఇమేజ్ ఉంటే ఆ ఇమేజ్ ని ఎవరికి అప్లై చేయమంటున్నాను? పేరెంట్ కూడా అప్లై చేయమంటున్నాను. మోనికా గాట్ ద క్లారిటీ?
Yes, sir.
Good. Escape, shift colon. You want to see those details? I'll show you. Now, CD templates. Happen. Templates only, right? Yes. Now, directory where they are used. Again, config map.yml. Shall I go with
Yes.
cd or vi config map.yml? What is the advantage of config map? No, I will go for deployment. CD deployment, not CD, right? VA deployment. Now check it. Somewhere you may see those names. Image, where is their image? Their image. I think you may see the image, right? Image full policy.
Image goes and goods.
You want to see the image name?
Goes and goods.
Their image. Now please observe here.
Yes.
Image dot values dot image dot repository. Here nothing will change. Nothing will change. What was the name there I took, man? I think service related thing. One is, another one is what? Another one is image related, right?
Yes.
Where they got. Even see the service related information. Here is not. Where they took properly only. Or else escape. Where the user I want to show you VI config map, right? We may check it. Now here see service type
Yes.
dot values dot my chart to service dot type. They use it like this. But only for understanding purpose they written config map.
Yes.
And one more thing, service port dot values my chart to service dot port within quotation, double quotation. Dot values my chart to service dot node port. In the same way, my chart to dot repository. Only for understanding purpose they do. If you want to use it, you can use in deployment also. How to mention? If you want to mention your image, please observe here. I may copy this where I can mention within my deployment. Within my deployment. Is it clear for you? Escape. Shift colon. Now another things, cd dot dot, cd dot dot. What about 35? We are going to check. You think different one? cd 35. See, helm starters, right?
Yes, sir.
Here actually no need to learn starters, because of I'll tell you the little story. I may close Windows key or, but I'll show you anyway. Their MS Paint already there. MS Paint.
Yes.
Yes. Now what starters will assume? Maybe assume this is the chart. Which chart you want to convert like a starter chart? Starter chart. STR starter chart. Now starter chart means assume this is the company XYZ company. Company using one standard template. This is the company, they want to use one template. You know the meaning of template, right?
Yes.
See, if you create Helm, create DevApps, it may contain one format, right? But what we are doing, you are creating your own format. You are creating your own format. From this chart, you are creating again one more chart. One more chart. See, if you use Helm create DevApps, Helm community will provide one format, right?
Yes, yes.
That format only are you getting or not? Are you agree with me? From hereafter, you are creating your own format, not Helm community format.
Sure.
You are creating own format. From that format, you are creating a new chart. That means you are customizing your existing chart information. That is nothing but starter charts.
Yes.
Anyway, tomorrow we'll work on this starter chart. We can understand what happened.
Yes, sir.
Till now clear? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Winding the session. Maybe work on this. If any difficulty, ask.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good. Good.